Hey, good morning. It's 9 o'clock Monday morning down here in Florida. Floor prep's done, passed inspection, and as you can see, pouring the floor. Tonight you can see what we call stem walls sticking up. You see all the rebar for the walls that'll tie the walls together to the slab. So you can see everything's done with the pump truck. And better look at how we do our wire and mesh. So you see the low spots are the grade beams. Wire in the floor, not going anywhere. So this will set there, dry up, be all good to put block on top and start going vertical with the walls. We'll be back right after we stock block.